Hello, and welcome to the first in the series of videos where we'll introduce different Divesoft products. First, we have the corrugated hose protectors. These go around your loop, around the hoses on your loop, and it protects it against damage that may be caused by jagged edges or rocks in a cave. They come in two different sizes. And then we have a cable protector. The cable protector encases the cable of either handset or the HUD. It protects it from jagged edges again, rocks, and it's really nice for cave divers or wreck divers because sometimes it happens that you just cut up the cable and water gets inside and hinders the functionality of the handset. Then we have something that you may be familiar with. It's the silicone case, the silicone sheath for your handset. It goes around your handset and it protects it from small debris during the dive. Next is the ORing pouch. This is for outside transport or when you're outside the water or on a boat and you want to really protect your handsets. This goes around them, you put them inside, and it is usually for transport in a car, again on a boat or on a plane, where you just really want your handset safe. Then we have something that's essential for any cave diver or wreck diver. This is a head protector. It goes over the connectors on your head, over the handset connectors, over the HUD, and it protects them against the walls, the ceiling of caves, or even wrecks. Because when you're in there and you smash the head of the rebreather against the ceiling, it can cause damage to the connectors. This protects them really nicely. It's a thick piece of metal with plastic on it. Then we have the head cover. This goes on the head, on the bottom, when it's separated from the canister with the scrubber, so nothing gets in it, no dust, small debris like tiny rocks. And you just put it on when you transport it, when you take it in your carry-on on the plane. And then last, we have a cute little ORing pouch. This is to house the O-rings you have. When something is wrong with them, you can replace them very easily. They're in a nice, safe storage, which has a pretty nice feature. It has Velcro on the backside, so you can easily stick it onto any Velcro surface. If you want to buy anything, you can check the link in the description down below.
Thank you for your attention, and if you have any further questions, please consult the user manual or send us a question through email or through Facebook.